Hey guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and hey, guess what? St. Patrick's Day. Well, not really. It's gonna be close to it. Well, I don't know. By the time this video comes out, God only knows when it will be. But St. Patrick's Day is somewhere near. And you know what that means? That means I'm gonna do something that's completely wrong because, you know, I should do like real Irish recipes, but I don't, but I should. But I don't know, I just like making up my own stuff. So guess what? Since I had such good luck last time I used Lucky Charms, I thought, hey, let's go for a second. And if you don't know or don't remember or never saw that video, please click here or somewhere where I'm putting the link to that video, or maybe down below in the description, so you can check out the video of making Lucky Charms Rice Krispie treats. Guess what? I'm not gonna even tell you. You gotta watch the video for yourself to see, but it's a lot of fun. Anyway, so you're gonna need Lucky Charms, vegetable oil, cake box, cake mix, cake box, cake mix, cake box, cake mix. Okay, some food coloring, and 2 eggs. And you're like, are you making cake or are you making cookies? No, I'm making cake box cookies, but for St. Patrick's Day, because why not? It's here, let's do it. So all you need to do is take a box of cake box, put it in a bowl. You can mix it by hand. I would mix it by hand. No need to mix it with a mixer. Next, we're gonna put in 2 eggs without eggshells. 1 egg. Awesome. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And obviously, I don't use a lot of vegetable oil in my cooking because I got a lot of it. There we go. And that's it, that's all you need. Now, we're gonna mix it a little bit. There it is. Okay, so it's very yellowy, but we're gonna make it green. Now, here's the conundrum, people. Do I add blue to the yellow cake mix to make it green, or do I add green? What shall we do? Shall we try blue? What say you? See if it works. It's blue. No, it's turning green. It's turning green. You know, and I think I should have put the dye in before it solidified, but you know, I'm making this up as I go. Let's put some green in. It's gonna be aqua, but okay, who cares? Let's put lots of green, lots of green. I like green. It's not easy being green, but I guess it's okay if you're a leprechaun. All right. Oh, wow. This is really green. These are gonna be Hulk cookies. Now we put the Lucky Charms in. I'm so scared. I don't know why. I'm so scared. I'm like afraid this isn't really gonna bake or something. I don't know. Does it look appetizing? Like green Play-Doh. Okay, so take your cookie scooper or a little mini ice cream scooper, just like this. It just doesn't look natural, you know? Something about unnatural food just doesn't jive. Look at that, wow, that is really green. But it's a really pretty green color. I like this green color. It's a happy green, so you'll have happy green poops. Already looks like, this is not right. That one's cute with a little marshmallow on top. Oh my, look at this. Like seriously, it looks like Play-Doh. Have you ever eaten Play-Doh? Comment below if you've ever eaten Play-Doh. What did it taste like? Do you remember? Why did you eat it? Did you ever eat glue or anything else? And again, why? Well, this one doesn't have enough Lucky Charms in it. There's some in there. There you go. All right, so we're gonna pop these in the oven something tells me this one's gonna burn like Hades because of the little cookies on top, little crunchy things. Anyway, all right, we're gonna stick these in the oven and we'll come back and we'll see how they turn out and we'll see how they taste.
A few moments later.
And here you have it, my Lucky Charm cookies. Well, let's see how lucky we are. Let's see. Okay, first, I mean, it's a little toasty. It's still a little warm, but what I want to show you is look at that cool color inside. I'm sorry. If that doesn't scream to you St. Patrick's Day or spring, let's try it. Okay. I will say it doesn't taste so much like Lucky Charms. Well, maybe because I didn't get a Lucky Charm part. Here's a Lucky Charm part. Not bad. It's got the little oats. They're not like super crunchy, but very, very good. And then you got the marshmallows, very, very sweet. So I would say this is a win this year. And yeah, I don't know about you, but now I consider this a breakfast cookie. So yeah, get this with a glass of milk or coffee or some Irish coffee, and you're good for the morning. Go ahead and believe that. Enjoy. Have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day, and please let me know if you make these cookies at home and how you did and how they came out for you. Take care.